for the industrial packaging market. Strong Converting partners with regional paper and packaging distributors across the Midwest to bring high-quality, low-cost converted paper goods to industrial clients. They combine extensive experience and professionalism in every case and customize their support to fit individual needs. Founded nearly 5 years ago, Strong Converting's rewinding equipment handles product ranges from tissue to linerboard. They can slit widths and diameters of multiple sizes, and their flexographic roll-to-roll random repeat printer can print customer logos on nearly any grade in one color. Strong Converting's paper and board sheeters handle widths up to 5 feet and lengths of up to 8 feet. Substrates from 20-pound basis weight papers to 40-point chipboard are well within their capabilities. Strong Converting's packaging capabilities also include ream wrapping bundles, boxing sheets, shrink wrapping, bagging, bundling, labeling, and more. Visit them today at strongconverting.com. This is John Criswell.